Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to buy in TradingView. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap on your TradingView app. So once you're into your TradingView account, you need to simply tap on the stocks that you want to purchase. Once you have selected it, simply tap on trade and select the account through which you want to purchase the Bitcoin or any crypto. After you have selected an app of trading, you need to simply tap on connect and sign in into your account. So once the linking up process is completed, you can simply be redirected to this kind of index. You need to tap on numbers and you need to type in how much of quantity you want to purchase and hit the buy button. So in this way you can purchase crypto on your TradingView account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.